Rachel lived in New Hampshire. Boy, it gets awfully cold up there. I believe their motto is live free and die frozen. Rachel was looking into getting a new garage door. Everything she bought, she got on America's online home improvement place called Showroom Partners. Rachel wanted the best garage door, and that was a Wayne Dalton. Wayne Dalton had over 60 years of innovation and was named the most used brand by home builders for many years. And no one combined style, quality, and performance like Wayne Dalton. Here are just a few of their doors Rachel liked. Rachel had a Wayne Dalton dealer come out and install the door. She absolutely loved the door so much, she started sleeping in the garage, and still today, she sleeps there, happy, single, and frozen. Really? I sure can't understand some of the characters in these books. Damn.